Now, if you check my stream right now, in the last 7 days, I've been able to get over 1,200 subscribers, as you are seeing right now. Would you believe if I told you that there's a new method on YouTube that I have discovered myself, right? And what this method does is that it helps you to get more subscribers. The most interesting thing about it is that you don't need to struggle to create videos yourself. All you have to do is to just copy and paste. I repeat, copy and paste. It's actually a new feature that YouTube has actually released, and all you need is the YouTube app to do everything. First thing you want to do is that you go to Play Store. Yes, and then you ensure that your YouTube app is updated. If you're using old version of the YouTube app, this is not going to work for you. So make sure you are using the latest version. You just open it up, and then you come to this section here, the plus sign, right? This is where we are going to get a feature. So you click on the plus sign. Great. Once you click on the plus sign, you're going to see videos, you're going to see shorts, you're going to see live, you're going to see post. Now we are going to use this one, shorts. You get me? We click on shorts. Now, this is where the feature can be found. You see your top right corner, this thing here. This is the new feature YouTube has actually introduced. Now, it is new to me because I just found it just last week. I don't know about you, whether you have also seen this feature. Now, let me know in the comment section if you have already seen this feature before. Or you click on it here. Great. Once you click on it, this is the interface you are going to see. Now, you can see some 4 features up here, and then you can also see some videos down here. Now, these are the ones I use that worked for me. I used this third one here, which says photo to video. And then I used one of the videos here, and it actually worked for me. I got a lot of views and subscribers from there. Now, let me explain how it works. Now, it's just a quick one. If you've been struggling to get a 4,000 watch hours after many years of doing YouTube, now relax, because I can help you get it within just 7 days to 21 days. Okay, you check this screenshot here. This person was able to get over 4,000 watch hours in less than 7 days. This one too was able to get over 3,000 watch hours in less than 7 days. Okay, yeah, so all you have to do is to check the description of this video, contact me, let me help you get your 4,000 watch hours in 7 to 21 days. Now, let's get back into the tutorial. What this feature does is that it actually gives you inspiration or ideas of what is going viral or what has gone viral on YouTube. YouTube itself, right, is actually showing you that friends, you see this video, you see this video, you see this video, you see this video, they actually went viral on YouTube. If you are able to recreate something like this, the chances of you going viral is 90% to 100%. You understand? And all you have to do is to just copy and paste, and you don't need to create any video. And you understand right now. So let's choose one of the videos here. Now let's choose this particular video. I think it went viral a lot. We're gonna click on this video right here. Great. You see, immediately we clicked on the video, the YouTube's own AI or the YouTube's own app has automatically written the scripts for us. So all you have to do is to just tap on this one here. You just tap on it and it's going to generate a video for you automatically. You didn't do anything. This is actually for people who are lazy. You didn't do anything for you. It's just generating videos for you. You're not making videos yourself. Your job is to just be clicking. That is all. That is all. Let's wait for it to finish creating the video for us. If this is something you find interesting, make sure you give this video a like and also subscribe to this channel. And by the way, this method is going to work for people who are going to like and subscribe. I'm just kidding. Great, it's almost done. Now let's see the video. Right, once it finishes creating the video, you can click here to download it, right? And then you can also click here to go straight forward and upload. Now, I'll also be telling you the advantages and disadvantages of this particular method. Friends, I always like to tell you the advantages and disadvantages of every method, right? I'll tell you, so make sure you watch the video to the end, right? Here, you're gonna click on next. Once you click on next, you allow it. Great. See, great. It has actually generated a video for us. We did not put any effort into it. You understand? Then you click on next again. Here, your job is to just give the video a title, and then you click on upload. This is dog on red red carpet, right? And then you can add some hashtags to it. Then here you click on no, not made for kids, right? And then the description is not even necessary because it will still get lots of views, right? And then you click on upload short, right? So once you click on upload short, you are going to wait for it to fully upload, and you are going to see the result you are going to get. I intentionally created a new channel just for this because I wanted to make a video about it. And surprisingly, myself, I was like, does this thing really work? Surprisingly, I tried and I was able to get some decent views on the shorts I posted without any special effort, right? But it is great. So if you check my channel here, you can see that I have posted some already. This one is have 1.5k views, 1.3k views. This is actually a new channel. So if your channel is old, it means that definitely you are going to get more views. This is actually a totally new channel I was just testing. You understand? And already it is performing well. Right. Great. Now the video has finished uploading. So let's play and see. Wow, this is absolutely crazy and interesting. This is very interesting. It has generated a video for us. We did not put any effort into it. We did not generate the videos ourselves. All we did was to just be tapping on it, and then it keeps on moving. So the only thing we did was to give it a title. That is all. You get me? All right. These videos, because they are from YouTube itself, you are definitely going to get lots of views, and then you're going to get subscribers in return. You understand? Great. Now let's move on to the next section of this video. What if you don't want to use these kind of videos, but you want to use your own face? There is also a way. What you're gonna do is that you still come back to the shots here, and then you still click on the feature, right? Once you click on the feature, you are going to see this one here which says photo to video, right? So you click on photo to video, and then you are going to select any video, any photo on your channel, on your phone, right? And then you are going to convert it into a video. You tell your photo what to say. You understand? I'm going to choose this one. And then here you type whatever you want your video to do. If you see this picture, you can see that after creating content, I was very tired. I want it to say something like, YouTube isn't easy, but everything is gonna be all right. It's gonna be all right. Now, this method and the first one I showed you both have their advantages and disadvantages, and I'll be explaining all in this tutorial. So make sure you watch to the end so that you don't come back in my comment section that Prince didn't tell us the disadvantage of this method and other things. You understand? Once you're done entering your prompt, right, you just click on this one right here, and let's wait for it to finish generating a video for us. Right. All I can say is that now YouTube doesn't want us to use AI, but everything YouTube is doing, it still shows that they themselves are interested in AI. Does it really make sense? Well,
YouTube isn't easy, but everything is going to be all right. It takes a lot of time and dedication to build something, but you have to keep moving forward every single day. YouTube isn't easy, but everything is going to be all right. It takes a...
Wow, this is the result, and it's actually interesting and crazy. Just a picture, it's been able to generate it into a video, and I can actually post it on my channel. So we're going to click on continue to right then. I'll click on next. Just give the title, YouTube isn't easy, right? And then you click on upload. Right, so it's uploading. Let's wait and see the final result. After that, I'll talk about the advantages and disadvantages. So our video has finished uploading. Let's see the results.
YouTube isn't easy, but everything is going to be all right. It takes a lot of time and dedication to build something.
Right, this is the result of what we've got, right?
But you have to keep moving forward every single day. YouTube.
Yes, from picture to video. You understand? Now, let me tell you the advantages and disadvantages. All right. Now, the first advantage is that this method is actually going to give you lots of views on your shorts so that you can get subscribers. This method is for people who quickly want to get their 1,000 subscribers. You understand? You don't want to struggle to get 1,000 subscribers. This method is for you. That is the advantage. Now, the disadvantage is that what I discovered is that if you use your own videos, you get low views. Now, if you check here, you can see that I got 12 views, and this video I generated, it's my own video, and I got just 12 views, right?
Welcome.
This one was the photo to video, my own video, I got just 12 views. But the ones I use the videos from YouTube suggestion itself, you understand, which is this is an example. I got 1.3k views. This one is an example, right? And this one I posted it just few minutes ago, right? These, if you use these ones, this is what I'm talking about. Let me show you. This is what I mean. If you use these ones, you get lots of views. But if you use this one, you actually get low views. You understand? So that is the disadvantage you need to understand. These are the disadvantages. Right now, let's move to the second section of the disadvantage. Now, you see currently YouTube is demonetizing a lot of channels because it sees them as they are creating inauthentic content and other things, right? This thing is such that if everyone is doing it, YouTube will see it as inauthentic content. Now, no one is actually going to tell you this. I'm the only one who's going to tell you this truth, right? For the subscribers, you are going to get. But if you apply for monetization with these videos, right, YouTube is going to see it as inauthentic content. That is from my point of view. Though YouTube itself is giving you this, by YouTube, you can't predict them. They can tell you it's still inauthentic content. You understand? My advice is that after getting your 1,000 subscribers and you're about to apply for monetization, all you have to do is that just private all these shots. Just private all these shots you posted from this place, right? Just private all of them and then post your own videos. You understand? Yes. So that you will not get rejected, but you'll be what? Accepted. Now, YouTube is not going to delete your channel for using these things. No. The only thing they can do is that they will reject you for monetization if they feel it is inauthentic because everyone is doing it. This will help you to get your subscribers, but for the monetization, it might be a problem. Just private it before you apply for monetization. I hope it is clear. But the ones you converted your own picture to video, right? For that one, you can leave it because it's your own picture, right? There's nothing wrong with it. Let me go to my YouTube studio and show you when I was actually trying it. Here's one of the video when I was trying it. You see, I got 6 subscribers from just 1.3k views. You understand? 6 subscribers from 1.3k views. Look at the audience retention. Very, very high. More than 100% audience retention. I was just testing to see if this feature actually works. By 30 days time, if you're able to post at least one video per day, by 30 days time, you should get your 1,000 subscribers. And for those of you whose channels are already, who already have channels already, this is going to be easy because you are going to get the views more than me. Because mine is a new channel. I created it just to make this video. You understand? So the channel is not even strong yet. It is working. Right. Now, after getting your 1,000 subscribers, you need to get your 4,000 watch hours because you can apply for monetization with only 1,000 subscribers. You need to get your 4,000 watch hours. And I understand that getting 4,000 watch hours too can be very difficult. But don't worry. I have also discovered another method which can get you 4,000 watch hours in just 7 days to 21 days. I have tried it for over 300 people and it has worked for them. They are all monetized. This channel actually got 4,000 watch hours with just one single video. So you can see right here that the watch hours happened overnight. Let me also show you another one. I got 2,000 watch hours. I also tried it on this particular channel as well. Let's see how many watch hours I got. got 3,800 watch hours. 3,800 watch hours. So let's look at this channel also. So you can also see it right here. So this one, less than 1 month. Okay, this one took less than 1 month. Just able to get 2.4k watch hours, right? So it's either I do it for you personally, right, or you get my step-by-step course. You understand? So if you want me to do it for you, it is $150. If you want to get a step-by-step course and do it yourself, right, it is $50. If you are interested, just click on the link in the description and then make payment and let's get started. Thanks for watching. My name is Prince, and then see you in my next video. Goodbye.